In this video, we'll demonstrate how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the steps. Begin by dropping a pin on your first location. Simply tap on the screen to drop the pin at your desired location. Click on Save, and then New List to create a new list for multiple locations, such as a trip list. Name your list accordingly and tap Create. Press the back button and find the next location you want to pin. Drop another pin, press Save, and add it to the same list you created earlier. Repeat this step for each location you want to include in the list. Once you've added all your desired locations, zoom out to view all the multiple locations you've pinned. To manage these saved locations, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Saved. Click on the three dots on the right, and you'll have the option to hide the list. This feature allows you to show or hide your saved locations on the map according to your preference. Remember, if you want to hide or show these multiple pinned locations, you can easily do so through the Saved section by managing your lists. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and insightful information, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.